students, today we are going to study about the atom. What is atom? Atom is a fundamental unit of the matter. Fundamental means the basic structure of any substance. It can be in liquid, solid, gaseous or in the plasma states. Atoms are very tiny. Now if you want to observe atom, then it is not possible to observe atom with your naked eyes. So you need a particular type of the microscope. This can be first type of microscope is electron microscope. The picture of the microscope is seen over here, and as well as the image of the atom, which can be seen through the electron microscope, is shown beside the machine. Usually if you want to watch any virus, then too you can use the electron microscope. Second microscope is field ion microscope. The image which is shown in your textbook page number 48 is obtained from the field ion microscope. It is shown over here. Here each dot is an atom. Third microscope is scanning and tunneling microscope. This huge machine which is seen over here is of scanning and tunneling microscope. The image is of the atoms image which is obtained from this microscope. Now let us study about the structure of an atom. Atom consists of the two parts. One is nucleus, which is at the center of the atom, and with other part is the extranuclear part, which is around the nucleus. What does the nucleus consist of? Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Protons have positive charge, whereas neutrons do not have any charge. They are neutral. The electrons which are revolving around the protons have negative charge. Now, size of an atom. The size of an atom or the atomic radius, it depends upon the distance between the nucleus and the outermost orbit. If you see the image shown over here, and if you compare the two atoms, for example hydrogen and carbon, the hydrogen have the smallest size as well as the carbon has the bigger size than the hydrogen. Here carbon has two orbits and hydrogen have only one orbit. But if you compare two atoms like lithium and beryllium, both atoms have same number of orbits. So if the two atoms have same number of orbits, then which will be the smallest one? The atom which have maximum number of the electrons in the outermost orbit will be the smallest atom. Means the beryllium is smaller in size than the lithium. Now mass of the atom. Usually mass of the atom depends upon only the nucleus of the atom. Here you can see the carbon atom. Now the number of the protons and number of the electrons both are equal. So if we consider about the carbon atom, the atomic number is 6. Atomic number is 6 means there are 6 protons as well as the 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. But when we are considering the atomic mass is the sum of the protons and the neutrons. For example, here protons are 6 and neutrons are 6. So 6 plus 6, 2n. So atomic mass is 2n. Atomic number. Atomic number is shown on the top of the element. It is here helium atom is shown and the atomic number is 2. It is denoted by the letter Z. And the elemental symbol is He and atomic mass is 4.003. Thank you.